Let's talk about flipping some houses today. We are in the Colony and we have found it. We've looked at a bunch of houses today and we want to show you inside this. We got our foundation guy here right now checking it out. We know it's got some damage. He'll be able to tell us exactly what we got to do to it to get it fixed, bring it back up to speed, but we're excited about this one. If you've ever wanted to house flip, or you want to purchase a house that's been flipped, or you just want to learn about house flipping, reach out to me. I have the most incredible crew of people that can help you and teach you and show you how to flip homes, and come into a home like this, say, you know what, I want to purchase this and I need to fix it up. What do I do to it, okay? So reach out to me, hit that subscription button, hit the notifications button. All my information is in the description. I'd love to stay in touch with you. So we're pretty certain it has foundation issues, but when you have 1, 2, 3 trees planted right beside the house, it's gonna have foundation issues. I mean, look at this. You can't plant a tree this close to the house. It's gonna have problems. Just kidding, it came from that tree right there. It appears they cut this tree down, and those are fake. They didn't really plant them that close, but you never know. We run into some crazy things. The last house we looked at in Denton, this foundation guy said that the foundation is basically cut in half. Like it's 2 different deals now. So that's not good. So no, those are fake. Don't worry about that. We can, you want me to move one around for you? Show it to you? Yeah. All right, little movement. You don't think I can move it. That's why you said. There we go. And a big snake just rolled out and we're good to go. Let's go inside and look at this thing. I'm guessing $55,000, $60,000 in repairs, be my guess, somewhere around there. Let's go inside and look at it. I've had a good friend of mine that's on our team that looked at it this morning as well. And like I said, as soon as he gets done with the foundation and kind of lets me know ballparkish, I'm gonna go ahead and put an offer in on this one today. Not too sure what we've done here. A lot of wood for termites right by the house. I'm not too sure what's going on with this thing. It's pretty flimsy, but I'm guessing that this sidewalk most likely runs all the way to here and all the way across, but they wanted to make a bigger deck area. I don't know, but here we go. The roof is looking good. We'll show you that here in a little bit. Sorry about that. But let's go ahead and come on in here. Like I said, it's got the wood all the way to the house. Kind of digging this a little bit. Might just leave this. There's something we could do with this. Here we are into the living area. I like it. There's a couple of things we could do here. We could tear this wall down. This is like a man cave study / whatever type thing. Come on in here, I'll show you. So there is a possibility, take this all down, and then you have a wide open look to the living room. That could be fun. I think that's a possibility for sure. You'll understand when you come this way, kind of see how it just open this up. Just stay right there. Yeah, that might be a good idea. Maybe just take this wall down, leave this one the way it is. We do have a strange issue with the washer and dryer. We'll show you that here in a second. I'm gonna need someone that understands that a little bit better, but I think I know where I'd put it, but my general contractor might say that ain't gonna work. But in here, it looks as if, here's what I think is happening. Someone purchased this, started to flip it themselves, and then realized it was too much work and got the hell out. Because there's flooring that's new, and we can show you the flooring that's in the extra flooring that's in the master bedroom closet. And they started to do something here, because these are different colors than these, but they're the same, it's the same stuff. So it looks like they started sanding this down, or maybe primered it, I don't know. But we do have some beautiful little, yeah, because they're not here and they never were here. So someone looks like they got to work on this at some point. Maybe they found out something's wrong with the foundation and they got scared and left, I don't know. Or they got too many projects and we're gonna get lucky and make this our project. Let's go outside and check it out. So again, this is nice. They've added this concrete. It doesn't look too terribly old, but it's definitely newer than what my camera person's standing on right now. We'll show you that. But so I mean, this is pretty good. Although I mean, I guess you could put a nice sized jacuzzi right here. That'd be actually pretty cool, actually. Ping pong, yeah, you put a ping pong table here. That's brilliant. That's a great idea right there. Now, something very, very different is to get to the garage. It doesn't connect to the house. I mean, it's connected to the house, but here's the entrance to the garage right here, and it's the only entrance to the garage. We could, I'll show you inside how we could connect it. That might be a little weird, but great size garage. Definitely need some work inside of here. But great size garage. It's alley parking, which I love. I think that's brilliant. And keep all the ugly stuff out back, why not? In fact, is this garage open or should we walk around? Here, yeah, come check this out. So when I make my offer, I gotta make sure that this is included. So my camera woman's husband wants that truck. So I said, hey, I tell you what, if I buy the house, I'll give you the truck. He likes the short bed truck. He's pretty excited about that. Now, he did say he would rather it be running and not sitting on the rims, but I'm gonna make him take it away. If they accept my offer, he's gotta take that truck away because he said he wanted it. So there we go. We will need a new fence. I think some of these poles are okay. You probably got to place 1, 2, 3, 4 poles, and that's it. That's the good thing about these metal poles, is that they're probably salvageable, with the exception of, it looks like 4 of them, they didn't go deep enough into the ground and put them in correctly. But the backyard goes all the way over here. Fence is looking really good. All up through here. It's very wet right here. That could be an issue. That could be a challenge. We'll let our foundation guy let us know. But that could be the problem right there. What could that be? Who knows? We'll find out. So, like I said, I think they started doing stuff, because if you look, all the crown molding on the bottom has been taken off. So they started putting this floor in. And there's kind of a couple places you check out this floor and it's kind of older, and you think, well, maybe they didn't just put this in, but they did just put this in. Because we found the extra right here. And my guess is, from what my foundation guy just told me, is they started putting all this in and realized we got a problem. Because we do have some foundation issues. So when you fix the foundation, which is no big deal, foundations are gonna have issues in Texas. But when they fix it, more than likely it's gonna crack a bunch of this stuff right here. And we got some plumbing issues. So we're gonna have to run that toilet and that toilet out there. We got some issues, so there's probably other issues. Might be why our grass is so wet out there. We need to ask him that question. So again, I know that they started doing stuff because the molding hasn't been replaced. It's all missing on the bottom. Good size master bedroom for sure. What I like about this house, depending on how the plumbing and the inspection report comes back to me, is we don't have to move a lot of walls. It's got some pretty good, it's set up okay, right? It's not nothing crazy. No, there's only one thing that's crazy that we'll show you here in a second. But I mean, we could change this vanity up, make it, you know, we're gonna improve this, make it look newer. Great size, amazing size closet, for sure, in a home like this. This home's only 1,300 square feet. So we have a good size master bedroom closet, and we got a great size master bedroom bathroom, and we could change that to more of a pedestal sink. Is that wet? No, it's just fluffy. I was like, holy cow, we got water going on right here. But there's gonna be a lot of work here. We found out we're 2 inches, two inches shorter here, lower. Yeah, so definitely got some plumbing issues we're gonna have to work through. No big deal, we got the people to do that. And it just changes the way we offer. So there's a couple things we can do here in the kitchen. I love my general contractor, William. I love the way he thinks. My guess is we could do something pretty cool here where we could send out a, put some bar stools over here, a little eating area right here. I kind of envision that. I think he would as well. Something simple, maybe not. Definitely replace this bad boy. Definitely replace all of this for sure. These we can keep. We're just gonna have to repaint them. We might get rid of these fronts and get more of a flat front just to make it look a little bit more modern. But I'll let him give me some ideas on that. There used to be an extra one here, as you can tell, but it's gone. So I don't know what happened. We'll search and see if we can find it. But all in all, not bad. There's not a lot of work we need to do in here. Definitely need to get rid of these curtains from 1965. Outside of that, new dishwasher. I'm standing where the fridge is going to be. So I like it. I mean, it's got a nice open concept already. My camera person has said, please don't tear that wall down and make it an extra area, because then we're going to lose a bedroom, that's important. Because if we do that, then we're down to 2 bedrooms, correct? Yeah, so 2 bedrooms are difficult to sell. I've sold one and it was not easy. I did a lot of work to get that thing sold, but I got it sold, so I can get this one sold. But I think she's right. We'll keep that a bedroom for sure, especially if we make this little bar area, make it kind of fun. And again, we got such a wide open area here. We don't need to move any walls around. But I like it. Clean the deck up out here, make it look pretty. And I mean, get rid of these curtains, like I said, we're in good shape. So we are in the guest bathroom. It's a full bath, which is nice. Awesome, love it. I don't know what we got going on here. Don't step on the foundation guy stuff, but this used to have a door here, you could tell. So we have a linen closet here. We can easily fix that up and make it look cool. Good sized bathroom for sure. I know we can do a lot better job here than this thing. Maybe put 2 here. There's a lot of work that can be done here. Maybe even move the toilet over there, put something over here, which we can move the toilet very easily because it looks like we're going to be doing some plumbing work anyhow. And then turn this into a real walk-in tub or shower and get rid of this old-timey 1955 looking tub. And then this is where it gets a little weird. So when you're done here, you can go to the laundry room, which the more I think about it, it's not that weird, because I've looked everywhere. I thought, well, maybe we can shut this off and have the door go through here and put the laundry room in here, which kind of makes sense. That'd be cool. But then the whole air conditioning system is on the other side of this, which that wouldn't work. We'd have to move a lot of stuff around. But if you think about it, put a door here. It's not that bad of an idea. I mean, you're not going to hear it in the living room. You're not going to hear it in the kitchen. So it's not as strange as I thought it was when I first looked at it. We can definitely make this a little better. You can come on here and see this. But there's definitely some storage we could have some fun with right here for sure. So, I mean, the more I look at it, it's not that bad. It's just a little weird coming off the guest bath. But at the same time, you put a door there and you kind of close your laundry room off to the rest of the world, which is kind of cool. I just wish it had a different entrance. I just think the bathroom entrance is a little strange. You have people over at the house, they're taking a shower, you need to wash your clothes, dry your clothes, you can't because they're in the shower. How is that gonna happen now? So how do we make the garage entrance through the house? Because right now you gotta go outside, which isn't that big of a deal. But the way homes are built these days, it's kind of weird. I don't think it is. I grew up where my garage was not attached to the house. You had to leave to the outdoors. But if you wanted to do it, you could put a door right here, which could make sense. Get rid of the door that's out there, put you a door here. I think you would rather have your TV up here anyhow than over here. And so you wouldn't be interfering with that. It's a big sized living room. So, I mean, there's a lot you could do, but I'm gonna ask my general contractor. Or, hang on a second, could we put the door here? Yeah, I think we could. This might make sense, actually. This might make a lot of sense. Put the door here. Now you're really not messing with the feng shui of the living room at all, because you got a door to the garage here. Something to think about for sure. But we could go here or there. Not too sure why they didn't. But again, you know, at the end of the day, when we're putting the budget together, we want to make an offer that they're going to accept. You know, I got to add more cost to selling the home. They might not accept my offer. I might not be able to put a couple of doors there. So we will see. If you are interested in joining a team that knows how to flip homes and you want to make an extra stream of income, hit that subscribe button. Hit me up in the comments. All of my information can be found everywhere. Text me, smoke signals, whatever you got to do, reach out to me. And we're going to make an offer on this house today. But this thing's got real teeth up in here, man. This is a real fossil. So we're going to up our price on the offer because this is out front. I want to make sure it stays with the home.